everyone, this is Karen with Cali Chic Baby. Thank you for joining us. Today, Kyoko is going to show you the 2DC bubble stitch. She will be using the Laguna baby blanket pattern 159. The yarn shown is Bernat Baby Blanket Tiny in tea rose, snow cap, and hash pink colors. Kyoko is using a Clover Soft Touch 5mm crochet hook. This 2DC bubble stitch is also used in other Cali Chic Baby blanket designs. All these designs are linked in the description below. In the Laguna pattern body, there are two 2DC bubbles with the chain between. Okay, let's start. Start the bubble with yarn over, insert the hook in chain space. Yarn over and pull up one loop, yarn over and pull through. You now have 2 loops on the hook. You will repeat the same steps again. You now have 3 loops on the hook. Finally, yarn over and pull through all loops. That completes the first 2DC bubble. Kyoko will now continue with the Laguna design. Chain 1, insert into same chain space, and now Kyoko will make the second 2DC bubble. The two 2DC bubbles with chain between form a cute heart design. To continue the Laguna blanket body, you will simply move to each chain space and repeat. Next, Kyoko will show you how to work with 3 yarn colors without cutting yarn every 2 rows. Kyoko is finishing the second row of hash pink color yarn. Then she will show you how to bring up the tea rose color from an earlier row. First step is to find the third chain of the chain 3 below. Yarn over, insert hook into third chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Now find the tea rose color. Bring the tea rose yarn color up behind the other colors. Then yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Make sure you're not pulling too tight. Loose is best to keep the edge shape. Remember, your edging will organize and hide the yarn strands. To start the new color row, chain 3. Then turn your work. Now you can continue with the body design, but using your new color. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more or get this pattern, please visit our website or pattern link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos we post. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.